Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to design a custom logo from scratch using Kittl AI. It's fast, easy, and perfect for branding your business or project. Let's get started. First, open a Kittl AI and start a new project. Then here, on the left-hand menu, click the Kittl AI. And then here, go to Tools section and select Design Generator. And inside the design generator, click logo to start creating your custom design. And here in the prompt box, write a subject for your logo that you want to create, like this example prompt here. Then you can also select your style and color preference before generating. And after that, click Generate. And the Kittl AI will create a set of logo options. Pick your favorite, then customize the font, icons, and colors if you want. And once you're happy with the result, save your project and export if you want. And that's it. That's how you design a custom logo from scratch in Kittl AI. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI design tips. Thanks for watching.